basket of tomatoes in the market today costs how much? 10,000? 15,000 naira? And pepper? Don't even mention it. But what if I told you that with just 5,000 naira, the same money you spend on one pot of stew and a tiny corner of your backyard, balcony, or compound, you can stop being a slave to the market and start growing your own fresh, organic food every single week? No land. No tractor. No agric degree. Just smart, sustainable backyard farming the Nigerian way. Stay with me, because this video will change the way you eat forever. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sustainable Living with Semafoge, the channel where we break down low-cost, high-impact ways to become self-sufficient right here in Nigeria. If you're new here, please tap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly sustainable living, organic gardening, and homesteading tips. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to start a productive backyard farm in Nigeria with just 5,000 Nigerian nairas. No fancy tools, no large farmland, just smart, local, and sustainable steps. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely what to buy, where to plant, how to care for your crops, and how to turn that small change into daily greens and even extra income. Grab a pen, because this one is gold. Let's grow. Step 1. Plan your microfarm. Choose the right crops. Don't just grab a hoe and start digging. The biggest mistake beginner farmers in Nigeria make is planting the wrong crops. When you only have 5,000 Nigerian nairas, you cannot afford to plant things that take 6 months to mature. You need what I call quick wins, short season, high-yield crops that grow fast and feed your family within weeks. Here are my top for budget-friendly crops for a Nigerian backyard farm. 1. Green amaranth, ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for Egusi soup and Efo Riro. 2. Ugwu, fluted pumpkin, a cut-and-come-again crop that gives you leaves month after month for over a year. 3. Scent leaf, Nchanwood Efinrin, once it starts, it grows like a weed. Great for pepper soup, jollof, and natural medicine. 4. Rodo, habanero pepper, starts yielding in under 2 months, and one healthy plant can save you thousands at the market. Now, here's the rule. Don't try to plant everything at once. Focus is the secret. These crops grow fast, sell well at any local market, and are staples in almost every Nigerian kitchen. Step 2. Soil and containers on a budget. 5,000 Nigerian nairas breakdown. Now let's break down the 5,000 Nigerian naira so you know exactly where every kobo is going. This is the part most YouTube videos won't give you real Nigerian prices. Your 5,000 Nigerian nairas backyard farm budget. Seeds or seedlings, 1,500 Nigerian nairas. Visit your local seed seller, agric shop, or even your neighborhood market. Skip the fancy imported seeds. Local Nigerian varieties survive our weather, pests, and soil far better. Sacks or containers, 1,000 Nigerian nairas. Walk to any local market and ask for recycled rice sacks, old paint buckets, or empty 25-liter groundnut oil kegs. They cost next to nothing. This is sustainable and cheap. We're recycling and farming at the same time. Organic soil and manure, 2,000 Nigerian nairas. This is your biggest investment, and it's worth every kobo. Visit a local abattoir, poultry farm, or cattle market, where they'll sell you rich, aged organic manure for a fraction of what gardening stores charge. Aged poultry droppings or cow dung are nature's gold for your plants. Watering tools, 500 Nigerian nairas. Buy a small watering can, or, my favorite hack, poke tiny holes in an old pure water sachet or a 1.5-liter plastic bottle. Instant do-it-yourself watering can. 0 naira spent. 0 stress. 0 waste. Welcome to sustainable urban farming in Nigeria. Step 3. Planting and care for maximum yield. Here's a secret most people ignore. Your plants only need 2 things to thrive: sunlight and drainage. Sunlight, find a spot in your backyard, balcony, or compound that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. No sun, no food. Simple. Containers and soil mix. Fill your sacks or buckets with a 50-50th mix of organic manure and regular topsoil. Mix it well like you're mixing Eba until it's loose and rich. Poke 5 to 6 holes at the bottom of every bucket or sack. If water sits at the bottom, your roots will rot, your plants will die, and your 5,000 Nigerian nairas investment is gone. Drainage is non-negotiable. Plant your seeds about a fingernail deep, roughly ½ an inch. Cover lightly with soil, then give a gentle splash of water. Spacing, don't overcrowd your plants. Give each one at least 4 inches of breathing space. Overcrowded plants invite pests and diseases. Crop-specific tips. For water leaf and Efo Tete, scatter seeds lightly, cover with thin soil. For Ugwu, don't plant seeds, plant cuttings. Just bury a 6-inch piece of mature stem and watch it explode with growth. For scent leaf and Rodo, start in the nursery first, then transplant after 2 weeks. Watering rule: water deeply in the early morning or evening, never under the hot afternoon sun. Watering at noon will scorch your plants. 0 Naira organic pesticide hack: if pests come for your hard work, don't waste money on dangerous chemical sprays. Make your own. Recipe 1: Neem spray. Soak local neem leaves in water overnight, strain, and spray on your plants. Works like magic. Recipe 2: Pepper garlic spray. Blend hot peppers, garlic, and a small piece of bar soap in water. Strain and spray weekly. It is 90% cheaper than chemical pesticides and 100% safe for your kitchen garden. This is real organic farming in Nigeria. Step 4: harvest and turn it into profit. In just 30 days, your Efo Tete and scent leaf will be bursting out of the sacks lush, green, and ready to feed your family. But here's the harvesting secret most people get wrong: do not uproot the whole plant. Just cut the leaves from the top with a clean knife or scissors, and the plant will keep regenerating for weeks, even months. This is called cut and come again harvesting, and it's how you turn 5,000 Nigerian nairas into endless food. Now, the money side. Don't just eat your harvest, sell the surplus. A small bundle of water leaf or Efo Tete sells for 200 Nigerian nairas to 500 Nigerian nairas in your local bush market or directly to your neighbors. A handful of fresh scent leaf, 100 Nigerian nairas to 200 Nigerian nairas. A small cup of Rodo peppers, 300 Nigerian nairas to 500 Nigerian nairas. With just 5 to 10 healthy plants, you can make back your full 5,000 Nigerian nairas investment in 1 single month and still have free organic food on your table every single day. This is not just gardening, my friend, this is a micro-business. This is food security. This is freedom from market warala. So there you have it. 5,000 naira. That's all it takes to take back control of your kitchen from rising food prices, escape inflation, and start your sustainable living journey in Nigeria. You now have the plan, the budget, and the steps. The only thing left is for you to get your hands dirty. Start small. Start today. Even 1 bucket on your veranda is a beginning. If this video helped you, please smash that like button, it really helps our channel grow. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a low-cost farming hack, sustainable living tip, or Nigerian homesteading guide. And here's a special gift: I've created a free beginner's guide to sustainable farming in Nigeria, covering the importance of self-sufficiency in 2026, organic pest control methods, benefits of keeping backyard livestock, real challenges of small-scale farming in Nigeria, and how to beat them. The download link is in the description below. Grab it before it goes premium. Tell me in the comments, which crop will you plant first: Efo Tete, Ugwu, scent leaf, or Rodo? Until next time, stay green, stay sustainable, and keep growing. This is Efo Tete, signing out. Thank you for watching.